Praise the Lord, glory to God. Today we are going to see how to create a style pack using a wave loop. So we have four steps. The first step is to select the loops. Second step is to convert the selected loop into a RX2 file using a recycle software. The third one is to import that RX2 or the particular recycle file into the Yamaha expansion manager is creating one separate pack. And then at the fourth step, that yes, we're gonna install that particular pack in your keyboard and assemble the style. Okay, now the first step I just do is now I've selected these kind of loops now. Second step, I'm just gonna open the recycle software. So when I open this recycle software, sometimes it will show where I need to open. So I just select this one. So if I select this one, it will play and show that. Okay, if you click this one, it will auto play. So automatically it will play and show. Open that and you can create a Rex loop. Now I'm just enlarging. Okay, so now if you see this one, I have to do certain things before starting the editing process. Go to the time, just change this to beats. Okay, because most of the time we're gonna understand through the beat. Now if I play the beat now, okay, so now listen, actually the tempo is 90, isn't it? Now it is showing a 45. The reason is, if you check that particular beat, it has got two bars. Listen, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So now, so this has a 2 bar, so I need to choose this as 2 bar. So when I select that as a 2 bar, so now you can see the tempo has changed to 90, but still it is 45 here. So now change that to the 90. Okay, this is the next step. So it is about the time signature. So also you just need to understand it's a 4x4 and you need to have that perfect place. Okay, in a 4x4 you have 2 bar, so I'm just mentioned here. So this one like 2 bar, I need to keep it to 0, and then this one, the sensitivity point, just increase a bit. Okay, till 72 or 75 something. Okay, now another one you need to do is now, just now when I play this one, listen, right, you can hear the sound. So now go to the process and click to normalize. If I click the normalize, it will ask whole file. Just click whole file. Okay, so now certain now if you see this one, it is already normalized. So normalize will fix that even the higher volume or the lower volume to normalizing to particular volume level. So that will be done in your this software, recycle software also you can do. Just go to the file and then save. Okay, now when you click a save as, it will show as Rex. So I just made this converted Rex a separate folder and this saved. Okay, now try to open another one. Okay, now I'm gonna take this one and just opened it now. Just close this one. Okay, now similarly same step, like just check out how many bar it is again. So you can find out a 2 bar. So change that to beats and then it is click to 2 bar and then click the tempo to 90. As we know that original tempo is 90 and slice it down somewhere to 76 or 75. Okay, now then the process is over. Then go for the normalize and try to put a normalize. If it is already normalized, no problem, but anyhow just need to put that for every loops. Okay, now save as. Then I'm just saving that to here. Okay, now again I'm just gonna take a fill as well. So now, so this one, like, so this one is a direct Rex file. So even you can download some of the direct Rex file, so that you don't want to convert from a wave loop to the Rex RX2 file. Okay, so instead you can like directly download the Rex file and you can directly import it into your Yamaha expansion manager. That is another one. Okay, so now I'm just taking some fill here. So I'm just gonna take this fill now. I just taken the fill. Now the tempo to 86. See, now it is 86. You know why? Because the fill has got only 1 bar, isn't it? So it does easily identify the loop. Okay. So now I need to slice it down. So this is very important because you need to slice it. If you're not slicing it, so there will be a problem will come. So that I will tell you in the later things. Okay. So now I sliced it and then I saved. So just check the normalizations. Yeah, fine, it is normalized. Okay, then save as, then save. And then the third process is just open your Yamaha expansion manager. Okay, now in this top, right, the top corner, just click that and click create pack. So now it is I've given it pack 3 here, so just name it as experiment style create. Okay, now so I've just converted that particular rex file, right? I just can directly import here, just directly importing from here, or else you just can click and import a content, and you can go to the the particular place where you have, so you can go like that. Okay, you just can select everything and open. Okay, so now if you see here, right, it is created with a multipad. So now listen, so this is very important, the best thing that Yamaha expansion managers does for us, where the first thing is like it is creating as called a style as well as a multipad from the loop. Okay, so now if certain things are not needed, okay, so that we need to delete. So if you see here, you can see there's a normal, so this is the files we needed, so these are like copy files, so these are we need to delete. Okay, delete. Similarly, you just need to do for all the things. Okay, now if you see, now I have just created something here, right? So that is enough. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna create a pack. Okay, so we have created this particular the experimental this pack, right? So anyhow, you just need to create as a separate pack. Okay, so now we have created here. If in case this particular software is crashed, you can't get these things. Okay, so now just need to create as a separate ppf now. So export a pack. So now just give export pack, and I'm gonna use the same places where the desktop. Okay, now I'm just gonna name it like again experiment pack. Okay, done. So now the pack is created. Now if I open that thing, now you can see there's a ppf is created. So now just click this one, right? So now pack 3, so I have to select this particular pack name called experimental. Okay, so this one, yes, so I need to select this one. So I have selected this. So now if you see, all the files has been selected, the styles and the drum and the styles and the multipad has been selected. So now you will get everything as a main A. Now whatever we decided, for example this one, I might have decided as 9001 as a main A and this one as a main B, but when you're creating as a pack, it will loaded in your keyboard as everything as a main A. Now I need to create a installation file. So once we install in our keyboard, then we can do the next process. So I'm just gonna create a CPI file, and then we can put it in the pen drive, and then we can install. So that video process how to install that ppf and things we have, so I just given in the description and also in that external link. Okay, just try to look at that also. We are in the step 4 where we installed our packs actually, right? So now I'm just moving to this one. So now you can see that experiment style create, right? Now move inside, and you can find the 3 styles what we included, the wave what we done to the rex, and now rex to the pack created in our Yamaha expansion manager. Now you can see it here in the expansions. Okay, so now the first step, now if you check here, you have only main A, you don't have main B, C and D and all, right? So we have an idea with, I just made it like this is A and this is going to be B and this is going to be fill A. So I just give the 3 ideas so that you can utilize these things and you can make it for rest of the things. Okay, so now if you check here, now the A and B and then a fill A has been done. So now go to this function menu, style creator, go to the style creator. In your style creator, go to the assembly. Okay, so now if you check here, right, you can see that the rhythm 2, it is on. Okay, you can see there's a green and main A and rhythm 2. So mostly another important thing that I need to understand here is that Yamaha expansion manager will always defaultly will make the rhythm 2. Okay, will make the rhythm 2 as a that Rex loop as to the rhythm 2. Okay, fine. Now to this one, now main A rhythm 2 has been done. Okay, now listen, when I click main B, now if you check, you have rhythm 2, but this one is 0 1, right? So what we need to do is, like, we need to select a 0 2. This is your B. So even you can name it properly as well, because I just make it like 0 1 and 0 2 as A and B. You can even name it as MA main A and MB as a main B, or like that. Okay, so now even if I selected that one, I didn't get a green here. Even if I play, I won't get a sound. You know why? The main reason is here because what I said earlier, the Yamaha expansion manager will create the Rex as a main A, right? So this one, right, see this one is a separate style. So this separate style have only one function called main A. So now I need to select a main A. So if I done that one, you can see it will show a green. So it indicates now it is selected, it has been on now. So if I play, so now be very careful here, because the main A is 0 1 of main A. Main B is nothing but the another loop. Okay, another loop, that is this one. Okay, I need to put a main A again here. So this is very important one. The main A is very important in this part. Okay, so now similarly, when I go for the fill A, if I go for the fill A, I need to select that one. So rhythm 2, go for the rhythm 2. Even you can select for either of this one also, but you need to be careful that mostly try to do with rhythm 2. Okay, so now this one, I selected this one, it's showing a filter. In our mind it is filter, but in a keyboard it is actually in a Yamaha expansion manager, that particular style is assigned on a main A. So now again I need to click this one, I need to put a main A. If I put this like this, I'll get a green A. So it is indicating I have selected that part. Now if I click, okay, so some of them will have a doubt. Okay, so another doubt is like, it is a 86 tempo, it is 90 tempo. See, a Rex loop is very flexible. It can change a little bit, but not more than like a 25% like up and down you can go. Like if you have a tempo of 100, you have move from 75%. For the higher tempo, I think it is going good. For the lower the tempo, if you go right, it will drag. Actually the sound will get dragged. So be careful when you choose this kind of loops things. Okay, so near tempo. Okay, now it is adjusted towards a 90. So now I need to go with the main A. Now I'm just gonna add some bass to it. Okay, this is just an experimental. So again, it is actually real loop, that style packs only, that particular wave file. Okay, so now okay, so now every time when I do, I just want to put a quantize, because even when we play correctly, a small thing will happen. Small timing error may occur. So just put this in. Okay, and now just add a chord to it. Just have it a piano itself. I don't want to waste time on doing this. Okay. Okay, now done. Okay, now listen. Now I'm going to save. So when you save, you don't have the ability to save it in the expansion. You can save it in your user, or you can save it in the USB. So now I'm just saving it here with the name called the experiment. I can put. Okay, now it is saved. Now if you check, right, it is in the user name called experiment. Okay, so now I'll just play the song now. Listen. Company is off, sorry. So that's all. We created the style pack. Okay, so another good advantage now I'm going to show it now. Now listen carefully. I'm just going to the multipad now. Now if I move to the multipad, I'll go to the user and I'll go to the expansion. Now if I see experiment style create, right, if you click that one, you can find out all that the what we created as a from the Rex, right. We have created a multipad, side by side as well. We have done already. So now if you select this one, now just move the camera a little bit, just wait. Okay, now you can see this side. So this side, right, it is only one. So now, so multipad is created. So it is very easy to create from the wave file to the keyboard styles or multipad. But within that, we have certain process called recycle. The software is a very important one. Okay, just follow me, and we have a particular code is given in this video. Just follow this code and then get your softwares and get your this experimental files and try experiment in your keyboard and let me know how does it works for you, or else you can try with your own loops and whatever. Okay, for the glory of God, just use it for the churches, and also just try to give it to others freely, right? Because this is what the ministry that I'm doing. So this sharing of this information is actually to help others and to create some packs. Okay, so there way certain people doesn't know how to create, so for that only we have created this video. May the God bless this particular video and bless you all as well. Thank you.